Attack on Titan in 5 minutes.
It began as a manga in 2009, then exploded into an anime loved around the globe. First 3 seasons by Wit Studio, the final one by MAPPA. At its heart are 3 friends: the fiery Eren Yeager, his fiercely loyal protector Mikasa Ackerman, and the gentle genius Armin Arlert. Imagine humanity huddled inside 3 giant concentric walls, Maria, Rose, and Sina, hiding from monstrous, man-eating titans. To survive, soldiers belong to 3 branches: the wall-guarding garrison, the royal-serving military police, and the bold survey corps who dare to explore beyond the walls, swinging on ODM gear to slice the titan's only weak spot, the nape of the neck. For 100 years peace held, until it shattered. A colossal 60-meter titan appeared and kicked a hole straight through wall Maria. In the chaos, young Eren watched a titan devour his mother right before his eyes. That moment lit a fire inside him. He swore to wipe every titan from existence. He, Mikasa, and Armin joined the fight, eventually finding their place in the Survey Corps. During a desperate battle to save Wall Rose, something impossible happened. Eren transformed into a titan himself. Shock and fear swept through the ranks, but Commander Erwin and Captain Levi saw potential. They turned Eren into humanity's secret weapon. In one unforgettable moment, he picked up a gigantic boulder and sealed the breach. Humanity actually won ground back. Season 1 ends on a chilling note. A cunning, female-shaped titan hunts the Survey Corps relentlessly. After a brutal showdown, they unmask her. It's Annie Leonhardt, a classmate they trusted. Rather than surrender, she seals herself in crystal, leaving everyone wondering, who are these intelligent shifters, really? Season 2 drops even bigger bombshells. 2 more comrades, Reiner and Bertholdt, reveal themselves as the armored and colossal titans, the very ones who broke Wall Maria years earlier. In the frantic rescue of Eren, he instinctively unleashes a mysterious power called the Coordinate, commanding pure titans to turn on his enemies. Season 3 pulls us inside the walls, exposing rotten secrets. The government has lied about everything: the walls, the royals, the titans. The Survey Corps stages a daring coup, overthrows the puppet king, and places the true heir, Historia Reese, on the throne. Now nothing stands between them and the truth buried in Eren's old basement. The mission to retake Wall Maria becomes a bloodbath. Commander Erwin falls, along with almost the entire Survey Corps. They defeat the terrifying beast titan and finally topple the colossal. To save dying Armin, they inject him with titan serum. He inherits Bertholdt's colossal power in the most heartbreaking way. At last they reach the basement. Grisha's hidden diaries blow the world open. Humanity never went extinct outside the walls. The island is called Paradise. Across the sea lies Marley, a nation that despises Eldians and has been weaponizing titans against them for generations. Everything they believed was upside down. 4 years later, Season 4 flips the script. We see Marley's side, their wars, their technology, their fear. Eren, changed and hardened, launches a shocking raid on Liberio to steal the Warhammer Titan. The boy who once fought for freedom now looks very different, more anti-hero than hero. Back on Paradise, radicals called Yeagerists rise up to back Eren's vision. He teams up with his half-brother Zeke, who wants to sterilize all Eldians to end the Titan curse peacefully. But Eren has a darker plan, one that will use the founding Titan's full, terrifying power. And then it begins, the rumbling. Eren unleashes millions of colossal titans slumbering inside the walls. They march to crush the entire world outside Paradise. He calls it the only path to true freedom for his people. His oldest friends, Mikasa and Armin, are forced to ally with former Marleyan enemies to stop the apocalypse. The final clash unfolds on the back of Eren's grotesque, skeletal founding titan as it carves across continents. The Alliance battles past Titan memories while Armin ventures into the Coordinate realm, pleading with ancient shifters. In a decisive strike, Levi ends Zeke, halting the rumbling just long enough. The heart of the finale belongs to Mikasa. She steps into the jaws of Eren's titan and severs his head. That single act frees Ymir's long-trapped spirit. The power of Titans vanishes forever. Every remaining Titan collapses back into human form, but the cost is staggering. 80% of the world lies in ruins. Attack on Titan isn't just a story of giants and walls. It's a raw, tragic look at revenge, freedom, and the blurry line between hero and monster. Trauma and perspective twist everything. Yet even in its somber ending, the series whispers something gentle. In a cruel world, the quiet, happy moments we share with the people we love, those are what truly matter.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.